Emily dime.
As we are simultaneously excited to begin the new year, but let me tell you, this is going to be the utmost special unveiling of Society Interiors and Design. Our thanks to the friends from the media for joining us here, and for always and the new students, the youth of today. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we all gathered here for this very special unveiling, which is the grandest unveiling of 2K25. And before we unveil the cover page, we have with us the supremely gorgeous and the stunning honorable chief guest here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our very dynamic gentleman, the Aurora. On behalf of Society Interiors and Design, it's a fabulous feeling to have your absolutely amazing appeal. Thank you so much. You really brightened up the entire space with your absolutely fabulously sensuous presence. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome our consulting editor of Society Interiors and Design. May you please welcome Swati Balgi. Thank you so much, ma'am. We're very excited to take a look at the cover page. May we please also put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mrs. Jayashree Kahankar. As romance is in the air, towards the end of December, all we can think is togetherness, loved ones coming together and sharing the space. So thank you, Jayashree जी. एक पहली बार मैं आपकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ. आपके आने से ना सारी एक्चुअली सबके दिलों में वो एकदम रिलैक्सेशन फीलिंग आ जाती है कि अशोक जी कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. You know he's gonna be here as long as possible. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to put our hands together for the trailblazer, the very young, vivacious, who's been, of course, having a mind of her own. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, the world-renowned interior designer in our country, India, with her various projects, she debuted with a very renowned Marriott Hotel, June Hotel, with Rahejaz and Associates. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with her own entrepreneurship as an interior designer, with an experience of 2 decades, may we please welcome the cover star of Society Interiors and Design, and give it up for Sonia Poddar. The Soni Sonia. May we please have you here? Sonia, आपके नाम की तरह ही बिल्कुल सोनी कोनी तो नहीं आप, लेकिन we're very excited to have the unveiling of your project and of course the world of interior designing, where we truly give that happiness, joy and that comfort. It's all about the aura, जो divine connection होता है. It's about that space that you give everyone. So let's have a countdown and go ahead for the unveiling before I reveal बहुत सारे राज जो आपके सामने फाश होने जा रहे हैं. So I'm going to ask both of you ladies for your lucky numbers. So Kainat ma'am, what's your lucky number? Well, I'm number 2, but I am 9. Oh, I love that. I love that. What about you, Sonia? What's your lucky number? It's 6. It's 6? Okay. So we're going to have the countdown of 9, and after 6, we go around say, are we down? Alright. 9, 8, 7. Hold on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling of the latest edition of Society Interiors and Design, with a project by the very young and the brilliant, the unveiling by the hands of our honorable chief guest, Kainat Arora. May we please have a few photo ops.
हाँ कट करो जान दो इनको कट कर
Hard copy of Society Interior Design in everyone's hands. We like to thank Magnet Publishing. It's been a huge year for Magnet Publishing for the hard copy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to please request the director, Sunil Kamil sir, to kindly join my dignitaries here, please. Sunil sir. Swati ma'am, please smile. Swati ma'am said, oh, this is my work. It's so really I'm proud of myself. Wow. Lost in love.
Yes. So everyone center here. Yes. Done everyone?
Can you please, before we have the presenting of bouquet and the felicitation of our honorable chief guest and the cover star, before that, will you please have one photo op with my beautiful face having me around? It's absolutely an honor to be a part of Magnet Publishing. Thank you, Ashok Ramankan sir, and your very amazing team.
So your center here, Lukia center.
India very जोश में है, ruling the world of architects and real estate entrepreneurs. As our cover star, Sonia Poddar. This is the 2K25 grand unveiling taking place. We have all our dignitaries to join us here. So join us with them.
Wait. Wait.
So yes, sir.
Your
ground floor. Mother is.
Thank you so much. I'm going to have our beautiful family coming together for a picture along with Ashok Damankar, Jeshri Damankar and our consulting editor Swati Balvi, please. Please, I'm going to kindly now request Ashok Damankar sir to kindly felicitate to be with us. Can we all cheer and give it up for our star actress, ladies and gentlemen? Wow, you look all the more bright. The sunshine, ladies, here in Kainat Arora. We now request our honorable chief guest, Kainat Arora, to kindly present a lovely bouquet to the cover star of Society Interiors and Hats. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Poddar has worked in the field of interior design for more than 2 decades, residential, commercial, institutional, hospitality and high-end interior environments. She began her career with JW Marriott Hotel with B. Raheja Associates in Mumbai and had great experience right after that. She's also been featured in industry magazines and recognition and design events, such as being mentioned amongst designers at our very own magazine, Prestigious, and utmost prestigious Society Interiors and Design. And her company is known for blending refined aesthetics with functional interiors. And Sonia is truly active in sharing her perspectives. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Poddar's own design studio, known as Sonia Poddar Design Studio. And her work is very well celebrated in this issue of Society Interiors and Design. So heartfelt congratulations to you, Sonia. Can I have the microphone, please? One more microphone. Microphone, please. The microphone, guys. One more. We've already checked it. What do you want to say today? The brightness is here next to you, Kaina, and And you look like a star always. Your brightness, Sir, at first I'd like to request you to address everyone. Swati. Swati Balgi is our consulting chief editor, our director Sunil Pamekar, and the backbone, one and only Mrs. Jayashree Damankar.
Hello. Good evening, friends. Media as well as the architects and interior designer and smart celebrities. Thank you so much for coming over and supporting not only Society Interiors but the entire team. It's a great moment for us. Thank you, Tanya, for taking out your valuable time and coming over and unveiling the Society Interior Design the latest issue, where we get the opportunity and it's a pride to unveil interior designer Sonia Polka's project, which is it's a dream project of us. It's a great honor for us. Friends, 2025, we started with the legendary architects, Mr. Hafiz Contractors, the first project, and we are ending with the young, dynamic interior designer Sonia Polka. She's the first lady in 2025. Is that correct? Yes. It is the first lady. So in Society Interior and Design Magazines. And we are very, very proud of her that she has given us this opportunity. And yes, 2026 is going to be a great year, and we are looking forward many more such legends and achievers for the architect fraternity will be featured in Society Interior and Design. Thank you so much for taking out all the media as well as all the architects and interiors and friends and some of the celebs. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, it's the Negro Uno, the truly biggest honor for even our country, India, to have this magazine, because all they have is, yes, the learning experience, and at the same time, if they want to connect with anyone, the stalwarts, they get to meet only with Society Interior and Design. And now, let's have a conversation with a star cover, the beautiful girl, and this is the first lady beautiful interior designer on the cover page of 2025. So Sonia, what's your design approach?
Which has a legacy, a glorious legacy of over 27 years to be the best, to feature the best in the industry. So my sincere thanks and gratitude to Ashok ji, Swati ji, Sunil ji, and of course the entire editorial and publication team here at Society Interiors and Design. And it is icing on the cake to know that I am only women designer to be in this issue in the year 2025. So I'm so thankful to God, to all my peers, my mentors in the fraternity who are here to support me, Architect Prashant Sutaria ji, Ketan Seth ji, and my friends, Architect Gautam Bhuge, my team, Archer Interiors, my brand support whoever are here, and most importantly, my family, my dashing husband Shailesh Podar, my beautiful daughter Sarah. I miss my son Shaunak, who is not here because he is working abroad. It's so important that all of you here have been such an important part, including Society Interiors team, to reach here today, and my part of the journey I could get to express on this platform. So this is actually my media debut. I have been working very silently, quietly doing my work, and the few people with whom I've shared my prayers have encouraged me that Sonia, now you have to come out and show what you are doing. So it's such an honor to share share my entire journey over here in the presence of family and friends. It's a very big thing. So a few minutes I would like to talk about my journey. Of course, I started with teenager working on the JW Magnet project. So that was the beginning which exposed me to what good design is. And I have been fortunate enough that our studio carries forward that legacy of what standard of design that I saw over there. So we have been blessed to work on luxury residential projects. We are also working on institutions, hospitality, healthcare. We are making state-of-the-art museums, state-of-the-art lecture halls, convention halls and auditoriums. And all this is possible with a lot of perseverance, a lot of passion, hard work, endless nights, nights of tears. Actually, yesterday came going on, and I'm so thankful to my family for being there to bear all my tantrums being a woman. And what was happening to me and all that. And then we discuss the same things with your fraternity friends, and then you come to know that okay, we are not the only ones sailing in the boat. Everybody is in the same boat, and we all have to hold each other's hands and move forward. So it is a blessing to have a family support, to have a great team support, brand support, and also your peers to encourage you. So I can today only count my blessing, and I look forward to more features with Society Interior and Design and have a long-lasting relationship. So cheers, and I'm so thankful to everybody here to be a part of this special moment with my family and me. I'm really thankful to everybody here. Ganesh, Gautam, Hiral, Vidyan, Parag, Ketan sir, Prashant sir. Haven't missed anybody. I'm really sorry if I missed anybody, but I'm really thankful to everybody that is here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You spoke it all, and special mention to Sailesh and Sarah. Were like, oh, somewhere we're being praised so well. Of course, you deserve it all, ladies and gentlemen. And now to have a word with the one and only, ladies and gentlemen, the super actress who's been winning hearts, not just with the performances, with her glamorous avatar. Ladies and gentlemen, she's been ruling hearts. Let's hear it from Kainat Arora. So, I remember my first show with you, Kainat, was in Jaipur, and we were all like, the crowd was cheering for you. I think it was 7,000-8,000 people just going head over heels at your presence. So Kainat, how does it feel? How has your beautiful career been till now?
Well, beautiful words by you, but what a grand way of ending, unveiling the beautiful grand cover for my dear Sonia. For Society Interiors and Design, Mr. Ashok Bhanukalji, thank you so much for having me on board, making me part of this wonderful evening, and the entire team of Society for working so hard throughout the year. What a way of ending 2025 and bringing in 2026 with all these geniuses standing around me tonight. Well, the year has been great and the journey has been totally worth it. And Society Interiors and Design has been one of my integral part of my life, where I have only seen Mr. Ashok as a family and Society as even a closer family with Mrs. Bhanunkar as the pillar of Mr. Ashok Bhanunkar. So thank you so much for bringing me here tonight. I was not well, so I'm wearing my glasses tonight. I was under the weather and had to go under an operation, but just came down because this man has been there since 2013. And even Stardust, the entire family, Magnet Publishing, thank you very much for a grand evening, and thank you to all the media people who have been here and being patient. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very happy Merry Christmas and a happy New Year in advance.
सारी बातें आपने भी कह ली. I mean, you see, ladies are so smart. I didn't have to ask them counter question or the second or the third question. They said it all at one go. One last question for you, Kainat. We're talking of interior designing, which is that space which you're very fond of, you know, when you go back home, which really makes you feel very cozy and connect with your divine self.
So I'll tell you, you have touched a very, very special core of my heart right now. I am a fashion student. I've done my merchandising from NIFT, Fashion Technology. So I'm an art student, but I've always been driven and attracted towards interiors entire my life. I go back home, I design my space, my entire house is white. I love building spaces and I just bought a new house in Bombay. And I was looking for an interior designer and probably like the one standing here, I'm going to take some tips from her. And interiors has always been very close to my heart. And even like decorating a space of flowers in a corner at home, like be it leaves or baby birds. I design spaces at home whenever I'm free. People might think we actors, we are only acting. But when we come back home, home is a space where it's a feeling. It's not even a space for you. It's an art. It's a feeling. You come back home, you want to relax. So all these architects and interior designers, they play a very, very integral part of our lives. And I wish if I could do something as what she's doing in life, I would have been very, very happy. So you're doing a great job, girl. I wish I had studied interior designing like you did, but fortunately or unfortunately, I studied merchandising from NIFT in Hostas. So yeah, like fashion or interiors or art has been very, very close to my heart. And I'm totally glad that I'm part of an art. Movie industry, film industry, Bollywood, Tollywood, wherever you go, or interior world, it's all art. You know how you design a particular corner, your bed space, how you put your bed sheet, a bed cover or a cushion, and how artistically you see that. I love industrial lightings, mood lights, so even that is form of an art. Then I click some pictures at home when I'm free. I sit with a glass of red wine and just enjoy my evenings with my loved ones.
Oh, that's beautiful. सारे रास को भी फास्ट कर दी जैसे कि मैंने कहा धीरे-धीरे हो रहे हैं. But thank you to even speak out very soulfully today, Kainat. You've always been a soulful person, but it's not at every stage that you come out so open. I mean, you really heart and soul out here, and thanks to the legacy which is being carried forward by the very dynamic Ashok Damankar sir, that you are so comfortable in this zone. So I'm going to thank Sonia for joining us here, and we like to welcome and thank a few dignitaries here. So Kainat, आपके हाथों से we like to present them a token of love, shawl and a bouquet.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and Ashok
And
Damankar
also
sir,
congratulations to
here
the
with us.
editors. The editor, congratulations, doing a Swati ji, she's doing a great job. It's my favorite magazine, by the way, Society Interior and Design. It's one of my favorite magazines, and I'm gonna grab some copies tonight and take back home. And I'm gonna take Sonia back home.
Oh my God, seriously, sir.
In the form of a
Suna
magazine.
aapne. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's lovely. So, sir, should we do the honors now? Should I thank Sonia and ask her to take a seat? The next Sonia also. So, all four of you, sir? Yes? Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome Mr. Ketan Shah of Gold Mine Project Consultant and Services. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd also like to give the mention of Manisha Seth. वैसे केतन सर मनीषा जी के बगैर नहीं होते हैं, मनीषा जी आते हैं आपके बगैर. But she always says, I'm carrying Ketan with me, so you're carrying Manisha ji with you is what we presume. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please request Kainat Arora to kindly do the honors and welcome Ketan Seth, the chairman of Indian Institute of Interior Design, Mumbai Regional Chapter MRC. Let's give it up for the chairman of the Indian Institute of Interior Designers, Mumbai Regional Chapter. Thank you, Ketan ji. May we please hear a few words from you, please. दो शब्द आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे.
Hi Sonia, congratulations for such a wonderful cover story. I saw all the pictures, they are so amazing. So thank you Ashok ji for giving this opportunity to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind
You don't want to say a few words, Sonia?
No, she is doing wonderful. I already said projects are so beautiful. I saw entire magazine, all the pictures, and they are amazing projects. Absolutely mesmerizing. And you deserve this cover story for sure.
Thank you, sir. May we please welcome architect Prashant Sutaria. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dance together. Prashant Sutaria, PS Design Studio. Architect Prashant ji, स्वागत है आपका तहे दिल से. Station for architect Prashant Sutaria ji. Thank you very much. May we please have some cheer? Yay! We request you to share with us a few words, please.
So hi, good evening friends. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a great occasion to see Sonia getting the cover story with a prestigious Society Interiors. Great job. Thank you Swati for wonderful issues that you churn out year after year. Talking about, I quickly glanced through the projects that Sonia has done, and really proud of you Sonia. Such a lovely projects that you have done. And I think behind every beautiful project, there is a better story. So my little association with Sonia goes almost, I think, 7-8 years. Before COVID times, I started knowing her little. And then she joined our IIIT Mumbai chapter. So I think the results you all are seeing, but I have seen her always being very sincere, very hardworking, very focused, and a great team player. So that brings all of us here to cheer for her and wish her many good things in life as she continues on this journey of success ahead. So thank you Society Interiors for being inviting me here. Thank you Sonia. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, before we invite our next dignitary, Ashok sir is staring at me and you, Sonia, kab se, but actually not at both of us, Jayashree ji. Jayashree ji, can you please go next to him? वो कब से देख रहा है कि why is she away from me? Why is she here? Look at her. She's also so happy. पहले ही बता देते आप चले जाते हम कुछ ना कहते आपसे. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we like to welcome architects Nirmala Banaji of Banaji and Associates and architect Jamshed Banaji. Let's give it up for the ace architects of our country. As we welcome architect Nirmala Banaji of Banaji and Associates and architect Jamshed Banaji. Very kind of you. Today is lovers special. I'm not saying couples, lovers special. Sonia, just because you praised sir so much, आज lovers special ही लग रहा है, हाँ ना? It's so special. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's put hands together. Now, you see, जमशेद सर ने से एक ही बस है एक घर में. नहीं सर, आप दोनों की अलग-अलग identity. Yes, we like to have 2 bouquets for both of you. Thank you very much. We request you to share a few words.
Unfortunately, I've lost my voice, so I will not be able to speak, but I'll get Jamshed to do the honors.
Sonia, congratulations once again. You've outdone so many architects and interior designers as far as the thought process that you put into all your projects, the care and attention that you put in. It speaks volumes of the work that is displayed in the magazine. And we are all so proud of you taking part in the Indian Institute of Interior Designers as part of the committee and being such a great player as far as teamwork is concerned. So thank you so much for this honor, and really happy that Society Interiors puts in architects and interiors on the map and does so much for us. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. May we please welcome architect Milind Pai, please. Architect Gautam Burkheji and Mrs. Burkheji. May we please welcome architect Milind Pai, sir. Thank you very much, architect Gautam Burkheji, for joining us here.
Sir.
So we presume Mrs. Burke is also present here with you in your heart for sure. Since we also have her name. On her behalf also you have to speak to us today. How does it feel being here, sir?
First of all, thank you, Society Interiors and Sonia Poddar, for inviting me over here. And I feel great because I have seen Sonia for past so many years. She has worked very hard, and I think she's brilliant. She's one quote which is appropriate for her is "Beauty with Prince," and also basically it's like we always say that behind every man there is a woman, but here for Sonia the entire family is there with her, and they are supporting her very well.
My man is always there. He's always there. And when
You met your family, your kids also.
my kids also.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I think all the best to her, and wishing her tons of happiness. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Let me please welcome Jigar Kataria and Vidya Kataria ji from Archer Interior. Jigar Kataria and Vidya Kataria from Archer Interior. Thank you. Very pleased have the felicitation for both of them from Archer Interiors. As I said, yes, it's Love Special today. Also, Christmas is round the corner.
Sir.
Let's have a few words from Jigar Kataria and Vidya Kataria right after this very beautiful photo op. Lady first, absolutely, sir.
It's always a pleasant time with Sonia. As far as I know her, she's the best in whatever she does. Thanks.
Wow.
Thank you, ma'am, for getting us here. I'm associated with her since probably the last couple of few years. I thank her for the opportunity that she's given us as a team to execute her projects and thank you very much for the appreciation. The opportunity means a lot to us. Thank you, and we hope we keep doing great work together. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Welcoming Girish Pillai of Great White. Mr. Girish Pillai of Great White. Thank you, sir. An honor for Girish Pillai, please.
Sir, exit. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I don't know what to say about Sonia because I've been just knowing her for a couple of years, but from the day we met, we have been working together, and it's been a hard time because she's very demanding. She needs everything to be done ASAP, and that's a quality I think makes her more attuned to get the best of the projects what she's doing, and I hope and give her all the wishes for a better future life. Thank you very much.
All right, now there's something for you. Hold on.
Yes, thank you, Girish, for all your support. So, Great White is supporting us on a lot of projects. Their products are always there. And yes, I want everything on time. And thank you to Girish. They do reach on time. So, we have a great and successful handover. So, thank you for putting up with all my tantrums. Thank you.
I'm so glad that Sonia is here with us. She's not sitting out there opposite. वरना तो उनकी आंखों में देख के तो वही काम की बातें होती मुझे लग रहा है. So thankfully you're here, not staring in their eyes. Just kidding. We're proud of all of you. Thank you so much. It's been such a special evening. Girish Ahuja ji of Johnson's and Anuradha ji to kindly join us here. Let me please welcome Anuradha is here. Wow, thank you, ma'am. Beautiful. Please join us, Anuradha.
मैम सामने यहाँ देखिए. Yes.
Thank you, Anuradha. May we please hear a few words from you?
Firstly, congratulations. Okay, I'm so proud to have a very great for and thank you for having me here and having a meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a fabulous time, Anuradha. May we please welcome Parag Kusalkar of Europratik. Parag Kusalkar of Europratik. Do we have Parag ji? Hi Parag. May we please tell the state, Parag?
Sir.
Parag, would you like to share a few words?
Good evening, everyone. Thank Sonia for giving an opportunity for Europratik, and she has used most of our diversified product in her projects. So thanks a lot and congratulations as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome world-renowned industrialist. But more than that, he loves everything about humanity. With his great humanitarian values, please join me in welcoming philanthropist Dr. Anil Murarka of Mirakem Industries. Truly a very humble soul. We are elated as we have a sunshine gentleman here with us today. Thank you so much, Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka ji. You always make it very special, always for us here at Society Interiors and Design as well as Society Achievers. Since this is our last event of 2K25, I'd like to mention both of them.
Anil, before you speak, I want to say a few words about Anil. Anil, our association with Anil goes more than, I guess, more than 1 decade. Our relationship we started with business, but that business has become converted into the family, and he's no longer now just a friend, but he's a family to us. And I'm so happy that seeing Anil over here and coming and encouraging us. That is going to be मुझे बहुत खुश हो रही है कि अनिल आज यहाँ पर आके हमारे साथ आकर he's giving all his best wishes to not only to Magnet Publishing but for Society Interior and Design Magazine too. So Anil, I would like to say a few words.
Wow.
सबसे पहले दादा थैंक्स अ मिलियन फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी ओवर. दोस्तों, जैसे अक्सर हम देखते हैं behind every successful man there is a woman. जयश्री भाभी अगर आज यहाँ नहीं होती तो ये मैग्नेट शुरू नहीं होता. Trust me, we all know what a publication house is all about. but जिस मेहनत से अशोक जी ने इसको खड़ा किया है, I have got rather short of words to express myself about it. The woman who stood behind him is right next to him right now. Dada, it goes without saying, the hardships you have come across, and rather creating this platform, finally. Swati ji has been there throughout, Andrea for sure. This man stands like a rock. Mario, guys, Dada, the entire team, there's no doubt about it. So the Bhaiya Saab ka naam bhi bhula hua. So the team itself is amazing. These guys have been doing a wonderful job. If Swati ji remembers, the 50-page supplement, which society featured Anil Murarka Day, the Stardust supplement as well. It has been a journey for sure. और जिस मुकाम पे आज मुझे इन्होंने लाके खड़ा किया है, really Dada, thanks a million to all the efforts you put in for creating this man called Anil Murarka where he stands today. Thank you so much. Sonia, how can I forget you, man? Great. Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Your kind appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, we're also very excited.
एक गुस्ताखी कर रहा हूँ जाने के पहले इन दोनों खूबसूरत औरतों को I would like to felicitate them. It's
Oh, beautiful. This always comes very special. Good luck.
Sir.
Ganpati Bappa! For the blessings of the divine, it's absolutely a beautiful feeling and honor. A special honor always by Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka for our distinguished dignitaries. It's been super special always.
Sir, turn.
Please, sir.
Sir. Yes.
It's been always very, very special. Thank you so much, Dr. Anilji. Ladies and gentlemen, we're also very excited to have the personification of love, Prem, Preman Shah. May we please welcome you here, as we like to say Preman Shah, please. May we have the honor for Preman.
दीदो है प्रेम पूरो पूरो प्रेम
Sir.
वहाँ कटे तो
Preman, please, may we request you for a few words.
आप एमू चाहे बार आप एमू कट गए
functions. About Sonia, you have seen we are designing. Thank you for all.
Thank you.
Dina.
Thank you so much. Premal, it's always beautiful to have you around. Please, aap hamesha aaye. Thank you so much. Along with Escobar, our hospitality partner for today's event, we'd like to thank Mr. Vardhaman, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to please request our manager to kindly receive this honor from us now. May we please have the manager from Escobar. Please join us here. Thank you. Maybe have someone from Escobar to kindly receive this honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for everything. So we are in love with this place. We'll keep coming every now and then. Right from the hospitality to food, it's been a very, very special moment, and the open terrace, which we truly look forward to in a city like Mumbai. Thank you so much, dear sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome and thank Rahul from Bright Outdoor Media Limited for brightening up the space. And if there's anyone else from Bright Outdoor Media for this very special moment, thank you very much, Dr. Yogesh Lakhani. It's super special to always have Bright Outdoor Media Limited everywhere. The first ever outdoor media to be listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange of India Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we're truly proud. And thank you, Rahul. And congratulations on the super duper hit shows that you had. May we please welcome our Nara PR strategists and give it up for Siddhant Gill and Vedant Gill. Yay! Thank you so much.
Nice show, man.
Thank you to Miss Anushka Srinivasan Iyer. It's a very special moment to have both your heart and soul here with us. So thank you so much. to sit and be around. It's been very special. Ladies and gentlemen, Raat abhi baki hai. This is still the beginning of the celebration. I'm going to have my picture with you and Kainat and Sonia. Congratulations. Thank you, Kainat. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sonia.
Look here. Look again in the center.
इसकी मैंने कहा रात अभी बाकी है दोस्तों, मतलब बहुत कुछ कहना है अभी मुझे. So friends, we're gonna have Sarah here, and Sarah, you have to also speak on behalf of your brother, okay? All right. So friends, as I mentioned to you, that raat abhi baki hai. So now, what do we have in store? So we're going to at first have lots of photo ops with you, your family, my lovely star, superstar Kainat Arora, and with Ashok Damankar and Jayashree Damankar, along with our consulting editor Swati Balgi. And after that, I want you to speak a few words because you want to really express your heartfelt gratitude, and you also want to say something. So the microphone passes on to you, and Sarah, you're going to speak the longest. And then we're going to open for the questions by friends from the media. The stage is yours, so would you like to go first, or sir would like to go first? So it's a family time, and I really want to thank each and every one of you for joining us for this very special unveiling. We talk of women empowerment as our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, always encourages women. And this has been a very special edition of Society, Interiors and Design. And this dedication is for the entire SS, the family of SS. Sarah, you come first. Your bro, yes, and then both of you. So who's going to go first? The stage is all yours.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm so happy that my mom has been featuring in this amazing magazine, and more than that, I'm so proud of her. I've seen her work hard day and night, worrying about when she's going to deliver the project, she's going to be on time, being on call 24/7. And today, this first dream has come true, and I'm very, very happy that I'm here to be with her to celebrate her wonderful moment. And this is on behalf of me and Shauna. Congratulations, and we're so proud of you, Mom. Thank you, sweetie.
So Sonia, heartiest congratulations. Congratulations, Sarah. Congratulations, Nilesh. We have put a lot of work for her. You wouldn't be surprised if I tell you that Sonia has also been a winner of Miss Goldsman Beauty Competition in 1998. Looking at her, you can all feel so. So that legacy of beauty she has always been carrying with her all across. 2 years ago, she also had been trying to participate in the Miss Beauty competition all India, but she did not want to give much tougher challenges to other married women. And then she decided, okay, let me put my time for the project. And finally, that project is there on this magazine cover. So whatever dedication, whatever selection, what she had selected that time, that's what we see is on the cover. So Sonia, we all are proud of you, and this is just a beginning. And for Society Interior Designers, this is a good start. Next is going to be a lot more fabulous because now we have a lady charm, lady lovely. Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations to the entire family, all of you.
Last few words about the cover project. So this is on the cover is Hotel Celestial Manor which is in Lucknow. You all must visit the project. It's handed over and it's a totally functional hotel now. So this is a Baroque style design, Roman design, which I attempted for the very first time, and I'm so thankful to my client, Mr. Manish Verma. He's also got the UP Gaurav Salman Award, and he's such a visionary, and he put his entire faith in me. And this hotel is totally done in this Baroque style that you see on the cover page. even the rooms are classic. There are pictures inside, totally done in this Roman palatial style. And I was so afraid that, oh my God, am I going to do this? And I successfully delivered it. So this is truly a dream project. And every designer, architect, dreams of, doing this kind of a style. It's a huge challenge. And I just took it up and I told the client, look, I've never attempted this before. He said, I know you can do it. And that's how this whole thing has manifested. And 1 year, we handed it over in April and it's running successfully. So if you do visit Lucknow, make it a point to visit and experience the royalty in this beautiful space. Kainath especially, you must go there again. Yeah. It is a beautiful place and you must experience it. So I'm so thankful to, it is royalty and this royalty was featured for the first time in Society Interiors and Design thanks to Ashok ji. So thank you so much and gratitude only.
Thank you, Sonia, for your kind words. If anyone of you want to book rooms in Celestial Manor, and if you go on the booking portal and if you put the code Charming Sonia, you get a 50% discount over there. So please keep that in mind. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sonia, for giving us the opportunity to carry your dream project in Society Interior Design magazine. And also, I'm very thank you so much for taking out your valuable time, coming over here and contributing not only your work but helping us to put up such wonderful presentations. Thank you so much.
It's always an honor to be with you, Ashok, Mukherjee and family. And Society has been my favorite magazine, like I said. And today, during the Christmas and New Year, इससे अच्छा New Year का end क्या हो सकता था? By unveiling the grand cover for Dearest Sonia. Congratulations and all the best for the coming year. Thank you to the entire media.
With this note, I thank all the media friends, all our fraternity friends, architect, interior designer, some of our few clients, and yes, this year this year of 2025 was a great year for us. We are not just grown up with the reach, but we are grown up with the number of celebrities coming forward and giving us their project to carry in our magazines. This year was a great year. Once again, thank you so much for media friends coming every month after month and contributing your valuable, not only time, but the reach also. With this reach, we are also growing with you. Okay, so thank you so much, and I wish everyone Merry Happy Christmas and to a great 2026 ahead. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Feeling totally delighted to be here tonight for Society Interiors and Design for the unveiling of the cover for My Dearest Sonia. And I would like to thank Ashok Mukherjee for keeping this entire beautiful evening, and what a grand way of ending 2025 right around the Christmas. And the only female who has been featured in 2025 as a female interior designer in 2025. It was a grand year, Ashok ji, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
And ending it with a female, like interior designer on board. I myself come from an art side. Like I've said today, I have studied fashion designing, merchandising from NIFT, Fashion Technology, New Delhi Hoskas. I've been an art student myself. And interior is something which has been very integral part of my own life. And once I come back home, I like to design my own spaces. I wish I could have studied a little bit of more art in interior world and would have pursued something in interior line. Would have joined Ashok ji in the magazine and probably would have been there on the cover. But yes, maybe in coming times, I would like to pursue something in interior world and design my own spaces and people's spaces as it gives me immense relaxation and happiness. Where you design every corner of your house, because house is a place, it's not even a place actually. When you come back home, you come back to a feeling. So home is a feeling, and when you design it in a cozy way, you see your own reflection in some part of a corner in the house. So yeah, interior is something which is very, very integral to my heart. Apart from films, movies, facing the camera, being around the media and paparazzi, all of that, and living the life which we all are living. But then this is one side of actors nobody is aware of. It's an art, so I enjoy that.
How important are magazines like Society Interior Design?
So magazines like Society, Interior and Design are really, really important for everyone. For example, recently I was just hunting for a home. I shortlisted a house, but then I have that interior sense in me, but then that minute detailings, sometimes you just forget the nitty-gritty of it because you're not a pro, you're not a professional. So when you pick up a magazine like Society, you go through that entire process. So you see different type of designs, different type of moods. For example, like Sonia, what she did, it's very vintage. It's too much of a royalty in this art which she has done for Lucknow. That space she has done. I just came back from St. Petersburg. So I saw a lot of museums there, palaces there, all those moldings and all those history behind the designs and details. So you pick up ideas from all these magazines, which sometimes probably you're a pro as an artist, but you're not really attentive, you're not really aware, or sometimes you forget some points, and you pick up those points from magazines like Society, Interior and Design. So these magazines are really, really important for everyone, not just a client. It's even important for an architect or a builder. It's important for an interior designer, for decor spaces. Everybody wants to read these magazines, and I have these magazines in my house. And tonight, what we unveiled, I'm gonna take this edition with me. Ashok ji has gifted me, so I'm gonna take it back home and pick up some ideas from Society Interiors and Design magazine. And I've been part of the magazine family since 2013. And Ashok ji have been really, really kind, and he's been a lucky charm. His family. And it's always an honor to come back home, unveil the magazine, be it Stardust or Society. It feels like coming back home. Thank you so much for having me on board, and thank you to the media. Thanks.
It feels great. It's a great honor to be associated and to be on the cover feature of Society Interiors and Design magazine, because they are the number one, and they have this glorious legacy of over 27 years, and Ashok ji holding the reins. It's beautiful, and when you are on the cover of Society Interiors and Design, you know that you are among the top. So I'm so thankful, Ashok ji, for covering my projects, for giving our studio this platform where we can showcase all our aesthetics, our refined design legacy that we also carry. So I'm very thankful. Yeah, and especially because this is my dream project, Hotel Celestial Manor, which is on the cover also.
So ma'am, tell us about the project that's featured.
Yes, Hotel Celestial Manor is in Lucknow. It's a Baroque style, Roman style hotel design. It was conceptualized by Mr. Manish Verma. He is a winner of the UP Gaurav Samman Puraskar by Yogi Ji, Government of Uttar Pradesh. It is under his vision that I have created this design. So this is a hotel which has over 100 rooms. And we have started with a beautiful lobby. There is a huge banquet which is over 7,000 square feet. There are 2 banquets like this, totally done in marble. There is gold leafing detail. There are velvets, beautiful crystal chandeliers, and there is micro detailing and beautiful layout is planned. So this project will actually take you to a journey of how a palatial living is actually made in a city like Lucknow, which is actually the hub of the entire township, which is over there in Hazratganj. So if you want to do your celebrations, you can certainly go there. What we have tried to capture is the legacy of the Lucknowi tradition. So if you look at the fine line, even the interiors is having all the elements from the Nawabi style, Jharokha style panels are designed. There's an entire 3D panel with all the pictures, miniature pictures which are done over there. If you see the choice of woods, the choice of marble that we have made over there, everything is carrying a story around it. We are building a story around Lucknow and the legacy of Lucknow. And if you go to the pub over there, which is the bar, over there, if you see, we have created a beautiful panel in mirrors, beautiful in green color. It is reflecting light everywhere, and it opens out into a beautiful terrace. So if you come to this space, you're going to feel that you are in a historical place as well with a modern charm. So you feel, especially if you see right now, it is being flooded with all the Gen Z generation because they love to hang around in this place. So if you think of the lights, you will see like beautiful antique chandeliers. When you look at the walls and all, you will see opulent contemporary interiors. So it's a heady mix of Baroque style and also a modern design which we have totally achieved. If you look at the floors, they are all with beautiful patterns. And I'm so thankful for my wonderful brand supports. We have used Johnson Styles, we have used lighting from Jaguar, the shower systems at the spa, everything is from Jaguar. If you go to the salon, it's a beautiful sprawling luxurious salon in like beige marble. If you look at the soft lighting, there is a glamorous golden nail bar station. So everything about this space is speaking about a lot of glamour and royalty. So if you see, a lot of celebrities are holding their functions here, so it gives me a lot of pleasure. I would love to actually take Kainaat over there and even Ashokji over there.
Love to come.
And we can actually party over there.
Like you said, it's more on the Roman style.
Yes,
that
yes,
I completely love, and I'm already seeing that on the
Yeah,
cover.
yeah.
So I'm going to see the entire magazine tonight and probably take some tips from you for my upcoming project.
So
which
when
I'm-
you stay there, you're actually on this grand golden leaf bed, you know, with
nice.
beautiful paneled walls, with beautiful wallpaper. There is wooden flooring. There's a beautiful ornate dresser. There's an ornate wardrobe.
nice.
You know, so everything
More
about
vintage.
Yes, it's totally vintage, royal vintage. You can say it's more of a Baroque style, which has now become my favorite.
nice.
So nowadays people call it like a neoclassical style, complete with velvet curtains. The
Right.
upholstery is velvet, and there's a lot of gold leafing. So you keep looking at it, and you want to have it. You know, who doesn't want royalty? So originally it was not my style, but now I would say it is my style. I have fallen totally in love with this style. So this is an absolutely dream project for me. So we carried this entire theme even to the outdoors. We took it to the swimming pool also, where we've made these beautiful arches which are, you know, lit with beautiful cove lighting. And in the swimming pool also we have used a different kind of a membrane finish.
And how about your lightings
Yeah.
and all? Where did you bring the lights from?
Lights are from Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Yes, yes, lights are from Jaguar. Some of them are imported also. The chandeliers and all are also imported, crystal chandeliers. So it is very beautiful. So you must come and take this experience.
Definitely, I am
If
for
you
sure going.
walk through the
I go to
public
Lucknow
spaces,
a lot, so
yeah,
probably
yeah.
I'm going to have a look for sure and give you my honest feedback.
Certainly. And if you go to this restaurant and the fine dine and the bar, the chef has planned the menu in such a way, it's a very delectable menu, I can say. And they have followed this theme of being in Lucknow. So you must be the famous Lucknowi kebabs and all that. So you're going to, it's a totally, we have achieved ambience not only in terms of aesthetics and the lighting and the music, it's also the food, the drinks that you have. So this is like a wholesome experience. So when we say that our design is refined with aesthetics, functionality and timeless appeal, it is more experiential, as you can say, because we are addressing all the senses here.
Because most of the times what happens, all these celebrities, they prefer going to Udaipur, Bikaner for destination weddings. Now probably
Yes,
Lucknow's-
Lucknow should be the destination.
Lucknow should be the,
it should be the
it
destination.
will be the next destination.
It will be.
Considering this project in mind.
Yeah, and
Because
there is
people
a
want to explore new things and new
Yeah.
designs, concepts.
Yeah.
And this is something which is sounding very, very exciting.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
Thank you so much. So if you want to celebrate something here,
Definitely.
we have this lavish terrace also.
Or maybe people can go there for a New Year bash.
Absolutely, there is a New Year bash coming
And then
up.
Valentine's is coming.
Yeah. So we're going to tag this project in all our posts. So y'all can certainly look it up. And if you're traveling to Lucknow, especially for the shopping,
Yes. Why
this
not?
is the place to be if you're looking for some design inspiration also. Even when we made the columns, there were these huge columns in the bankway. And I was like, oh my God, how do we treat this? So we looked up a lot for design inspiration. And we actually got people to make these beautiful moldings on site. And you will not believe the entire ceiling that you see on the cover photo. It was hand painted by artisans. So craftsmanship was a very important part of this event. And I'm so thankful to all the craftsmen there in Lucknow because each one of them was like, literally painting each flower detail in gold. There was a gold leaf applicator and everything was then put on the ceiling. So meticulous details are there to observe for anybody who is a vivid fan of interior design and detailing.
And how long it took you to finish this entire
We
project?
finished in a record time of 8 months. Record
months.
time of 8 months we have delivered this project.
My God, I salute you.
Yes,
for that.
and this is totally
It
with
is
the
very
local
quick.
team also, along with our team from Mumbai. So under the team from Mumbai guidance, this was done.
Awesome.
And we have achieved this magnificent result. So I'm so thankful that I could work on this project.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Ashokji, why did you choose Sonia's project to feature on the cover as well?
Sonia is just, she's a very, how would I say that, been in this field from more than, I guess, what, 20 years?
20 years.
20 years, 2 decades. And her project, which we have featured in this issue, which is, as she said that, and I also said that it's a dream project, okay, which has a tremendous story behind, and it is a really honor for us, to showcase her project, which we have did in this issue, and what more can be, the interesting part is that our friend Kainat Arora, okay, who is coming over here and unveiling the issue with Kainat and Sonia. Okay.
He has
So
the
it's
lady
a-
luck charm.
So, thank you so much, okay, for such wonderful opportunity. Okay, and
To many more.
yeah. And Merry Christmas to all your viewers,
And a
friends,
very, very
and
happy
friends.
New Year.
Merry
And Happy
Christmas.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year and much love to all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Happy 2026.